Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to be replacing an old boiler in this fixer-upper house that we've got going on, and we are also going to be replacing some of the copper that was stolen. If you haven't seen the video where they stole the copper, click the link up here at the top of the screen. You can check that video out. But someone came in and stole all the copper from the house right before we closed, and so we had a bunch of the main 1.25" copper line in this boiler to replace, as well as some monoflow tees and some other things, as well as the entire boiler. So let's get into this video and enjoy.
You have no idea what we're doing. That was so much better. Elbow should be right about
Perfect, another 2-footer.
We can always adjust the boiler in and out too. And this has got some play.
Find out what that needs to be. Alright, so we have this electrical pigtail that you can see right there. It comes through here. This end is going to snap into the board right here. So there's that. This is the wire, and then it goes to this exhaust damper, and this damper will automatically open when the furnace is on and the exhaust is coming out, and then it will automatically shut so that there's no backdraft when it's not on. This cord is a sensor that goes around, goes under here, and there's a little sensor in here. It doesn't matter which wire goes where. You just got to connect it to that. This wire in this metal conduit is the one that powers the circulating pump. This is the circulating pump. That is what will circulate the water throughout the entire system. Circulator pump wire is there. That comes out here and just connects into the adapter there. This is electric from the breaker. So it's got this little snap-in adapter here that snaps into there, and then I just put a electrical box on the outside and screwed it in. And you see I've got conduit that goes up and catches the wire that goes to the breaker. And then from the house, the white goes to the white, black goes to the black, and then the green goes to the ground wire. And I just used 12-2 wire. And then we've got the thermostat wire here. As you can see here, we got the gas valve all hooked up. We've got a pressure relief valve here. And down here we have a drain valve. The only thing left to do here is to hook up the exhaust It's basically all ready. I just need another elbow. And then I can hook that back into the chimney there. What's this stuff called you're putting on here, Joe?
This is Stay Clean Flux.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Nice.
In combination with Stay Bright solder.
It's a match made in heaven.
Stay Bright.
Peanut butter and jelly.
Number 8.
Nice. Sponsor of today's video.
You wish.
Holla at us. All right, so we got the nipples prepped here. So we got the nipples prepped here. They're in the monoflow tees, and we're gonna connect them with PEX A. Need to make sure they're PEX A so that they can handle the heat from the boiler. You can use the same crimp ends as you do as PEX B. So let's get it. This guy's over here fluxing away.
Flux you, man.
Hey. This fancy tool here has a little blue LED that lights up when it's tight enough. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. First one done. About 6 more to go. On to the next. And that's where I'm going to end the video today. If you liked it, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And thank you for watching.